at Inorbit Mall, Vashi, where 3,800 students have participated in this event organized by TMJ Group, Walk Against Blindness. School students and Smartians from all over Navi Mumbai have been expected to walk against blindness. So, come on, let's check it out.
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya has been organized by the Advanced Eye Hospital in Sanpada since 2014 and has gradually grown to a full-scale walk against blindness, with the cornerstone still being eye donation. Mr. Sudhakar Sambhaji Sonavne, Mayor, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, embraced the event where around 2,000 children formed a human eye, along with 150 students from Ryan International Schools of Nerul and Sanpada, joining the cause. It is said to be the largest human eye formation by the school kids.
Sir, आपको ये इवेंट के बारे में क्या लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि लोगों में हम जागरूकता पैदा कर रहे हैं कि आँख के बारे में हम कितने सतर्क है, और एडवांस आई केयर ने यहाँ पर ये जो इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, इससे निश्चित रूप से जो आई डोनेटर है इनको उससे उसका महत्व मालूम होगा और इसका फ़ायदा नेशन को होगा।
I'm also pledging my eyes today.
Actor Vivek Oberoi, RJ Archana and singer Shankar Mahadevan, special guests at the walk, also pledged their eyes.
तुझे अब ये दिखाना है, रोके तुझको आंधियां या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा, जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य को में पाना है।
The walk started at 7 a.m. from the hospital to the Inorbit Mall at Vashi.
How do you feel about this event?
I feel great. My wish that Navi Mumbai should have the world record for the largest number of eye donation has come true. Today 10,000 people from Navi Mumbai, school children, college students, doctors, engineers, professionals, builders, everybody has come here to encourage us to donate our eyes. It's a great cause and I am feeling very happy today.
The event went great actually, and the entertainment was also going good.
That when you live in a certain place, you kind of feel like you own the place. And I've been a part of Navi Mumbai, and I feel like wow, they're just trying to inspire the youth to do something which we've not done before. It's very unfortunate in a country that has crores of people. We actually have to import eyes. What I love about this cause is that they've actually brought a lot of religions together as well to ensure that they should come out of that blindness of any religious belief that donation is not a good thing.
I think it's phenomenal, the spirit that Navi Mumbai has shown by coming out and in such large numbers. बड़े-बड़े शहरों में नहीं होता, and this is the world's largest walkathon for eye donation. I think it's phenomenal. It's setting an example, and this is truly an example. But like I keep saying, this is just the first step. To come out and create awareness and to pledge your eyes is one step, but you have to make sure that it actually happens when the time comes. So don't forget, आज form sign करके भूल मत जाना. Take care of your eyes, keep them healthy till the time you live. So that when you give your eyes when you're gone, your eyes are healthy and somebody can use them. That's important.
I want to give a message that we have two beautiful eyes which allow us to enjoy this beautiful world. When we are gone, these two beautiful eyes can allow two different people to see this world.
It's great. I understand that people just need an initiative. Once you take an initiative, all are ready to follow for a good cause. Everybody from Mayor Sir up to celebrities, various organizations, schools, colleges have cooperated with us. Will you donate your eyes? I already have pledged the form, and I thank Ryan TV to give this message to everyone ahead. What message will you give about this event?
I just want to say, Ryan International, I'm a big fan of yours. You all have such well-rounded personalities in your school. You all promote and encourage your students not just to study hard, because I don't think you care about the marks as much as you care about their understanding of subjects. But I think you encourage them in sport, you encourage them in arts. I think it's time you encourage them in being better citizens by giving what they have. the most precious thing, eyes. Take care of your eyes, darling. You got a lovely voice, so Ani, and thank you for being a part of the rally today. You're very enthusiastic and your slogans meant a lot. Good morning! Ryan International को RJ अर्चना की तरफ से, कसकाई मुंबई की टीम की तरफ से, सलील और मेरी तरफ से थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और ऐसे ही करते रहिए और एक दिन हमारे रेडियो स्टेशन आइए, जैसे आपने मुझे आपके स्कूल पे बुलाया, मैं आपका इंतजार करूंगी रेडियो सिटी 91.1 पे। थैंक यू, ब्लेस यू।
What an amazing event. Make your eye alive even after your death.
So donate your eyes and also ask the others for the same. On this note, this is Vijay Prasad.
This is Vijay Khushi signing off for Ryan TV.